Japanese. What? Shut the fuck up, dude. Shut the fuck up. They have Ryatsu now? Really? He's Jotaro? This neck game is disgusting. Underground area for determining the world's strongest man. Kengan associated with the strongest. Kainu! Determine who reigns supreme. There's women in that show? Whoa! Not reps. Not reps. Seeking job. Adam Dudley? Damn. Biscuit Oliva! He's coming through? Sen Hatsumi. Okay, damn. Not a bad look. No, no, what the fuck? Ew. No, don't do that. Who? What? No, don't do that. What the fuck? Yo, keep this in-house. Don't bring the fucking Jurassic Park niggas. What the fuck? What are these two? Listen, Gensai better be some mythical ass nigga to compare to Yoshiro Hanma. Baki Hanma.
しかし、滅道のじいさんも人使いが荒いぜ。いきなり対抗戦をやるなんて。